Hello guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to resize your own video for YouTube Shorts or TikTok platform. Alright, so I just recorded my screen, so I have this video, it's a normal size. For this task I will be using DaVinci Resolve software. Just highly recommend to try it as a free version for video editing as well. So yeah, let's open basic project. The main screen is open, so I can drag my video. Alright, so let's drop it here. I can change frame rate, it doesn't matter actually right now. So yeah, right now I'm in the second tab, it is called Cut. We need to switch to edit mode. Alright, so if I drag this video here, as you can see right now, video is 1690 format, so we need to change to 9:16 aspect ratio. So how we can do that? Let's go to File, Project Settings, and here we go. We can find timeline format. Basically, we need to switch and to swap numbers. 1920 let's put here, and 1080 let's input here. If I press save button, as you can see right now I have 9:16 aspect ratio. So that's it. You have YouTube Shorts video. Just you can also reduce the position of the video actually in the final video. So if you press click here inspector button, you can move your video to one side, to another side, up and down as well if you are comfortable. Also you can zoom it if you're comfortable with this video how it looks. So just go to delivery mode. Let's type name. Okay, you can use H265 format, it doesn't matter for this video. And let's add this video to render queue. Alright, save it of course, and the last button what you need to press is render all. Okay, let's click it. After a few seconds, let's go to video tab. Okay, in video folder we will find test video. Let's open it. Okay, as you can see it works. This video is for YouTube Shorts or TikTok platform. Thanks for watching.